Today we'll talk about how can you disable rewards notifications on your Olymptrade app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go above this sign, click on it. Sorry, you go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You click on settings here. So then you come to next step. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on notifications. You just click on it. So then you come here to rewards here. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean rewards notifications disabled with us now. That's all. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.